All right, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm just Mopar Joe. There's people watching on the other side. I can't film them. Anyway, we're gonna check out our cool potential project truck here. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Step one, Sally is not included. Oh man, there's drips under here. So I believe this is an 85. A little cream puff, 318. Here's our engine bay. If we start right here, fuel system needs gone through, obviously. Truck does start and run. I'll start in a minute. Coil looks new, cap and rotor. Got a new starter on it. Even the fuel pump looks pretty new. So somebody's had it up and going. He's only driven it around the block a couple times since he's had it. It does have the old 4 or 5 pin ECU. We like that. We look down for our, let's see. There we go. Not cracked up at all for our power steering box. That's a big old plus. Let's check out the grill. I was excited about the grill and the bumpers. Look at that grill shell. I know there's a little peeling in here. That's not a big deal, whatever. But the grill surround is beautiful. The bumper has never bumped anything that I can tell. It needs steel wool and it'll be ready. But now I'll check out the side. I know there's gonna be a dent somewhere or some rust somewhere, but I don't see it. Surface rust, that does not scare me at all. All the trims on the truck. Come down, look. Surface rust, there's no rusty holes in here. Oh, right there in that rocker. Let's bring you out. That's caved in a little bit. Nothing, no holes. I know you guys up north are kicking yourself right now. No rust. It's dark in there, but there's no rust. No rust under here. All the trim on this side, it's old Prospector. Let me back up some. Straight. Check out the rear bumper. I don't ever see these on anything. And it's my most favorite rear bumper. Check that out. Tailgate's got all the trim on it. Pretty nice and straight. Look here. Inside of our bed, looks good. Not rotted out. That's it, she's shut. It's missing the rubbers. Tail lights are broken out, not a big deal. I got some. I'm gonna back up this side. Same thing for rust. There's none. It's missing that piece of trim right there. Here's our bed floor. See, it's getting a little crispy, but it's not. Bar his spoon, clean those out. He's actually been storing this inside since he had it because a couple negatives. Somebody busted their back glass out and the side windows. Had been a divorce sale or something there. Fist fight. Seat's pretty roached, but I think it can be recovered. Doors open and close fine. And she's a stick. So I'm assuming it has the overdrive. That's all. Shifter feels really tight. I'm amazed at that. You want to look, the wear on that pedal, it's not as bad as you'd think. None of these pedals really. Of course it needs carpet. Let me get down here with Sally. Door needs some love, but it's a little crusty, but nothing's rusted through. Check out our frame. Needs some coating, but it's not, like I said, I'm looking for the rust. What about our 4-pan? Beautiful. What about in here? See the 4-pan across? How nice and clean that is. Got 8 1/4. I did look for that, which I don't mind. Not a big deal. This is starting to rust, but there's no holes anywhere. I'll have some, there's a piece of an old converter or something. Got some duals on it right now. There's our new starter. And there's the rest of the frame rail. Bottom of the door. There's no holes. All the way across there. So we know we need mirrors and we need side windows and a back glass. Carpet seat. It once had a headliner. Not much there anymore. So that'll probably go away. Yeah, floor pans are solid. Dash looks good. It could be cleaned, maybe painted or stained, whatever. But as for the body of a truck, I mean, she's solid. There's no, I'm trying to find the dents. There's no dents. All right, let's take a test drive. Easy. You won't be on camera today? I don't care. Here's this suspect here. He's selling us this, trying to sell us this old Dodge. Come on, baby. Uh-oh. I got an extra transmission at home. Oh yeah, we're rolling now. Man, smooth in the gear. Oh man. It lit up. Don't hit that car. It's a sound creation. Hold on. I'll tell you to get on it, but I think the battery will fall in on the radiator.
Yeah. Sure we got enough gas to get on it.
She's running out of a bucket. Is that fire sold separately? Scaring the children. I think I could hear the U-joint going wreck.
Probably dry at the moment.
Here we go. Let me know in the comments what I'm supposed to do with this truck if I buy it. Thank y'all for watching. We'll catch you next time.